YouTube, what's going on? This is your boy DJ So, and I am in the garage working on a project. Of course, you all may have seen this Lavish Life DJ booth, and I've actually been trying to do something like this for a while, and finally pulled the trigger on it. Got my Amazon desk and cut off the top of it. It's over here. Cut off the top to fit my Denon controller. So I've got my Denon controller on top of my Drive Rack PX. I've got it raised up with some foam padding from my flight case. Got my GTD Audio U35 wireless handheld microphones over here on my left. I bought a power hub that's got, I believe, eight outlets, and also it's got some USB-A and a USB-C outlet as well. I bought a USB-C extension. It's just a USB-C male on one, USB-C female on the other, to plug into my USB-A hub here. Normally I would have this closer to my laptop, but I'm keeping everything underneath the hood here, and that way all I need to do is just have my white USB-C going to my MacBook Pro. So here's from the back. I've got master out going into the Drive Rack PX. Also have two sub outs and two outs to go to my tops. And this hole came with this piece of furniture, and I've got my XLR males going down here. Right now I'm setting it on top of my Rockville stand, and I've plugged everything in. Even also have my wireless DMX adapter here. I'm running DOS Lite 4. I've tried Sound Switch. Wasn't for me. DOS Lite 4 is really good. And that's connected, hooked up to my USB-A hub right here. So it's all underneath the hood. I'm gonna put the top on, show you what it looks like with the top on. Boom, there you go. Top's on it. One small little challenge is just trying to make sure that when I'm putting the top on, that it lines up correctly. So here's where I made the cuts right here, and as you can see, I have the edge lined with it's like a liner that you would use for your kitchen cabinets or your kitchen drawers. It's called Easy Liner. Got it from Lowe's. It's got a removable adhesive. There's the product right there, and I found one that kind of has a marble design on it to kind of match my table. And there's underneath the hood. Everything fits well. You got the plugs are right there. Drive rack. Wireless microphone. Wireless DMX. On the back side, that's going to be covered up. I'm going to use this piece that came with the furniture to cover this part right here. What's up, man? It's my 3-year-old. All right, if y'all have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And this was pretty easy, pretty simple. Just going to try to secure everything down. My next issue would be trying to figure out how to transport it. And I'm thinking about getting some type of case for it, maybe a keyboard case or something like that. So, all right, thanks a lot for checking out this video. Hope you have a good one. This is DJ So, Daddy by day, DJ by night. God bless.